Hello students, good morning to all of you. In earlier classes, we have learned about health education. What is health? What is education? Needs and importance of health education, etc. I think all of you have learned. Today, we shall learn about hygiene. The word hygiene has been derived from Greek word Hygeia, the goddess of health. She is represented as a beautiful woman holding in her hand a bowl from which a serpent is drinking. In Greek mythology, the serpent signifies the art of healing. Hygiene is defined as the science of health and embraces all factors contributing to healthful livings. Hygiene is the science that deals with the preservation of health. The knowledge of hygiene helps a man to keep fit, nice, and disease free. It also educates man about how to take care of different organs or limbs. Actually, what is the aims? The aims of hygiene. There are two aspects of hygiene. One is personal hygiene, another is community hygiene. Let's learn one by one. First, personal, then community. Personal hygiene, the objectives of personal hygienes. There are so many objectives of personal hygienes. That is, number one, to improve personal health, awareness, and thereby remove health related problems. Number two, to understand the needs of nutritious diet, and also to improve the knowledge of balanced diet. Number three, to provide information related to structure and the functions of our body. Then, what is the needs and importance of personal hygiene? There are so many needs and importance of personal hygiene. That is, there are so many points are there, but I shall tell you some of them points. Number one, it helps to develop healthy habits. Number two, it takes special role on the development of a good personality. Number three, it promotes mental stability. Number four, it is needed to develop healthy environment in home, classroom, and educational institution. And the second one is community hygiene. Community hygiene. What is community hygiene? Community hygiene means to promote and project community health by implementing proper health laws with an idea to develop healthy society. Community influences individual as well as individual influences community. Community health is considered as a total of reciprocal concept which is development on individual health. And we shall learn about the objectives of community health. What is the objectives of community health? There are so many objectives, such as to develop health awareness and also to supply information related to health. Number 2, to encourage to lead a disciplined lifestyle. Number 3, to take necessary steps to maintain an ideal and healthy environment. After that, we shall learn what is the importance of community hygiene. What is the importance? There are also so many importance of community hygiene. Like number 1, it takes special role to protect community health. Number 2, it helps to develop a healthy society in terms of disease-free community. Number 3, it helps to find out the proper ways to solve health-related problems through community awareness. Okay, students. Now we shall learn in which way we care our different organs or limbs properly. Today I shall discuss about the process of caring the organs or limbs. There are so many points, there are so many organs caring in your books to see it, but we shall discuss some of the points or some of the organs we can care, such as care of eyes, care of teeth, care of skin. Okay, first one, care of eyes. Eye, all of you know, it is an important and the vital part of our body. It helps us to see everything, So, we should take regularly care of our eyes. To take care of our eyes, we must keep in mind the following points. Number 1, wash eyes with plenty of clean water 4 to 5 times in a day. Number 2, never use the handkerchiefs and towels used by others. Always use your own handkerchief or towels. Number 3, if dust or foreign particles, foreign bodies enters your eyes, do not rub with your fingers. Do not rub with your fingers, but wash the eyes with plenty of waters. Next one, the reading distance. Reading distance, what will be the distance at the time of reading books? it should be 30 to 35 centimeters, just like this, not like this, not like this. At least 30 to 35 centimeter distance from eyes to object. And next, at least 3 meter distance should be kept during the watching a TV. When we see the TV screen and our eyes distance minimum at least 3 meters. Next, not using the glasses worn by others. Next, the well balanced diet to ensure enough quantities of vitamin A and vitamin B. Means when we take food, the food, it is must be enough quantities of vitamin A or vitamin B. Okay, and then the care of teeth. It is frequently said that a clean tooth never decay. If we cannot take care it properly, then teeth will remove. So, to maintain our teeth, the following points should be maintained. Number 1, dental checkup. Oral hygiene and cleaning teeth are essential for prevention of dental cares. Number 2, teeth should be cleaned by brushing every time after eating or at least in the morning and before going to bed. I think when we shall eat a chocolate or any sweetie food, after taking the sweetie food, we must have brush. Then our teeth will be better. Next one, there must have a sufficient vitamin A, B, C in diet. And next, not to use ash or buraku for cleaning teeth. And next one, the care of skin. Skin is the outer covering of the body, skin, which protect the body from bacteria, inversion, regulate body temperature, exercise, sweat, and also act as a organ of touch. And if we follow the following points, we can maintain our skin, we can keep our skin healthy. That is, number 1, a lot of bath removes the dirt from the skin surface. Number 2, uses of soap with warm water cleans the oily dirt. Next, good clothing. According to environmental conditions and nature, the job is required. Next, balanced and nutritious diet is essential for health of the skin. Not to use towel and clothing of others. we must have the diet which rich in vitamin D or vitamin E. If our food rich in vitamin D or E, then our skin will be healthy. Okay, and after that your books, the care of hair, care of nose, so many points are there. You may learn or read it. Actually, there are so many ways, so many processes of take care of our different limbs or organs. Today, I shall show you the one way of the one way of our personal hygiene, that is hand washing. It is very important to all of us. Before and after taking meals or any types of food, we must have washed our hands properly. So how we wash our hands properly? First, I demonstrate it, and then I will show you it practically. If you do it and influence at least the one community members, then learning process will complete it. I hope you can do it. Let's see. First of the process of hand washing. Again, I tell you the process of hand washing, and these types of process you must apply in your daily life when you are taking meal or any types of food. Okay, say it. First on the palm, right, liquid soap, and then two palms rubbing just like this, and then fingers separate, and just like this, finger as a rubbing this, and next one just like this, from right hand to left hand, and then left hand to right hand, left hand to right hand, and then left hand rubbing thumbs, then right hand to left hand rubbing, and next right hand nail just rubbing just like this, and next one left hand rubbing right hands, and then your tap is open, water is falling, and you just wash your hands. Okay, let's try in practical situation. Let's start. See the process of hand washing. Okay, first some hand washing is taken, then some water is added, and next rub, then rubbing, and next the next finger is separated and two palms are interlinked and rubbing just like this, see. And next one, in left hand, right hand is rubbing. Similarly with right hands by left hand rubbing. Yep. Next time we shall palm is rubbed. Right palm is rubbed by left palm. Right thumb rubbed like this. And then left thumb rubbed by right palms like this. And next, just like this, rubbing. And next, left right thumb rubbing. And finally water is okay. See it the hand wash. Okay, you must do it in your room daily when you take your food, before and after taking the food. Okay.